Sponsoring a nature research project enables us to create and disseminate important scientific information across various formats that will serve as an authoritative resource for the scientific communities, and it is my job and that of my sponsorship colleagues to put together programs and projects that meet both editorial rationale and commercial objectives. This approach really raises awareness for your focus of research and validates your approaches. By sponsoring one of these projects, you may well attract some of the brightest scientific minds to your organization and raise awareness for your commitment to this space. It can also foster collaborations and partnerships with external institutions and companies. I am 100% confident that if you have a communications and content need, that we have the editorial expertise, the content solutions, and through being part of the larger Springer Nature organization, that we will also have access to your specific audiences. We will then create, develop and disseminate important scientific content across innovative formats to both our audience and consequently your customers. Focus issues are a collection of commissioned review articles written by the leading experts in the field. Nature Outlooks are journalistic special issues that hone in on important developments as well as outstanding challenges from research, drug development, and socio-economic perspectives. Our posters present an overview of a topic in a visually appealing format. These are affixed to laboratory walls and clinics and referred to time and time again. Our videos and animations bring our latest scientific understanding to life in an engaging and unique format. Nature.com webcasts are online events that are educational, interactive, and generate leads. Nature conferences are in-person events that are exclusive networking opportunities that facilitate dialogue and collaboration. We invite any corporation with a scientific agenda who is committed to furthering scientific understanding to partner with us in bringing important, premium, educational nature content and making it freely available to all.